Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the world of cocktails.
Yeah, we're going to be mixing things up a bit today.
But don't worry, you don't need to be a professional bartender.
That's right. We're talking about 10 classic cocktails that anyone can make at home.
From the elegant martini to the zesty margarita and the tropical daiquiri.
We've got them all. And the best part, these cocktails are globally loved.
Absolutely, you'll find these drinks in bars all around the world.
And they've been around for ages. They're classics for a reason.
So let's get started with the king of cocktails, the martini.
The martini. Simple, elegant, iconic.
Gin, dry vermouth. Just two ingredients. But the technique is key here.
You got it. Stirring with ice may seem simple, but different techniques create different tastes. And the ratio of gin to vermouth can vary too.
Oh yeah, some folks like it drier, with less vermouth. And don't forget the lemon twist.
It's a must. That little burst of citrus really elevates the drink.
Now speaking of classics, let's talk about the old-fashioned. It's been around for over a century.
It has. And you know what? It's making a huge comeback.
Sometimes I wonder if it's like too classic.
Not at all. The old-fashioned is timeless. It's all about the process.
Muddling sugar with bitters. Right.
Exactly. It releases those complex aromatic flavors. Then you add your whiskey, bourbon, or rye. Both work great, and stir it all with ice.
And the orange peel, it's not just for decoration.
Yeah, nope. Expressing the oils from the peel adds a beautiful citrus aroma.
Okay, let's move on to something a bit more lively. The margarita.
Margarita. Sunshine in a glass.
Tequila, lime juice, triple sec. It's like a party starter.
It sure is. But remember, fresh lime juice is key. None of that bottled stuff.
And you gotta shake it really well.
Vigorously. That creates that frothy texture. And of course, the salted rim.
The salted rim is essential. It adds that perfect balance of savory and tart. All right, let's switch gears to something super refreshing. The mojito.
Mojito. So refreshing and surprisingly easy.
Mint, sugar, lime, and summer in a glass.
It is. The trick is to muddle the mint gently, just to release the oils.
You don't want to crush the leaves, right?
Nope. Then you add white rum, soda water, and lots of crushed ice.
Crushed ice is important, right?
It is. It melts slower, keeping the mojito chilled without watering it down.
That's a great tip. Okay, up next we have the Cosmopolitan.
The Cosmopolitan, known for its vibrant pink hue and sophisticated taste.
I'll admit I mostly know it from Sex and the City.
Yeah. But it's a well-crafted cocktail. Vodka, cranberry juice, lime juice, and triple sec, all shaken together to create a perfectly balanced drink.
And it's best served in a chilled martini glass, right?
Absolutely. That adds to the elements. Now, let's try something a bit different. The whiskey sour.
Whiskey sour.
Yeah.
I've always been a bit intimidated by the egg white.
I get it, but trust me, it's worth it.
What does the egg white do exactly?
It creates a smooth, velvety texture. And when shaken properly, it forms a beautiful foam on top.
So the key is to shake it without ice first, then with ice.
You got it. A dry shake followed by a wet shake. And of course you have the whiskey, lemon juice, and sugar syrup, all perfectly balanced.
Okay, you've convinced me to give it a try. Now, I've been hearing a lot about the Negroni lately. It's like, it's suddenly everywhere.
It is. The Negroni's having a moment. And for good reason.
What's so special about it?
It's a simple recipe gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth, all in equal parts.
But the flavor's complex.
Right. It's bitter, sweet, and herbal all at the same time.
Fascinating. It's great that people are becoming more adventurous with their palates. Now let's talk about the espresso martini.
The espresso martini, perfect for those who love coffee and cocktails.
Vodka, coffee, liqueur, espresso. It's like a party and a pick-me-up in one.
Exactly. Freshly brewed espresso is key here. It adds a richness and depth of flavor you won't get from instant coffee.
And you shake it hard to create that creamy top layer.
Yeah. It's a sophisticated and invigorating drink, perfect for a night out.
All right, let's take a trip to the tropics with the daiquiri.
The daiquiri. A classic tropical treat.
White rum, lime juice, sugar syrup. It's so simple, yet so delicious.
It is. The key is to use high-quality white rum and fresh lime juice.
And you blend it, right?
That's right. Blend it until it's smooth and frosty.
Like a frozen margarita.
Similar, but not quite. The daiquiri is all about the pure, clean flavors of rum, lime, and sugar.
And finally, we have the Manhattan, the sophisticated cousin of the old-fashioned.
I like that. The Manhattan is definitely in the same family.
Whiskey, sweet vermouth, bitters.
Stirred, not shaken, and garnished with a cherry.
It's a classic for a reason. Now, you've convinced me that anyone can make these cocktails at home.
That's right. Don't be afraid to experiment.
Any final tips for our aspiring home bartenders?
Use fresh ingredients, adjust the recipes to your liking, and most importantly, have fun.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Now, if you want to see how these cocktails are actually made, like the visuals,
Yeah, you should definitely check out Wall Expert Guy's video.
he breaks it all down really well, and you can actually see the process.
Plus, Wall's got a great style.